epic wins, public meltdowns, and so much background noise. Miss Grand International 2024 is still making headlines. While Rachel Gupta became the first ever Indian to win the Miss Grand International crown, Miss Myanmar had an unexpected meltdown that had the internet hooked. And now, we have Miss Pakistan Roma Michael facing backlash. Roma, a model who hails from Lahore, Pakistan, shared a bikini video of herself from the competition on Instagram a few days ago, but then deleted the clip after facing intense backlash. The controversy came to light when social media users began sharing and commenting on the now deleted video. It should be noted that her participation in this competition also marked a significant milestone, as she became the first model from Pakistan to compete in the event without a hijab. But despite that, her choice of attire sparked discussions on cultural norms. That being said, she received a considerable amount of support from a section of social media users who dropped words of encouragement for the diva. For the unversed, Roma, who holds a bachelor's degree in BTech from the University of South Asia and has made a name for herself in the entertainment industry, was a strong contender in each round of the competition. She wowed everyone with a glimpse of her roots and culture, which was undoubtedly one of a kind. She wore a lavender-hued red carpet-ready gown for one of the rounds that grabbed eyeballs. The gown with meshwork and a high slit made everyone appreciate her beauty. For the pageant's gala dinner night, she wore a similar gown in pink color. Her black and gold look too was quite amazing. Even for the national costume round, she wore a purple lehenga choli with jewelry, which of course made her stand out. Well, kudos girl! Roma clearly has carved a unique path for the future contestants from her country. What do you think of Roma Michael's overall performance? Share your views in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on beauty pageants.